Okay, good morning. So today we are looking at how to simplify these fractions. You can see this is question 1, came in 2024. Then we are basically dealing with 2 years, which is 2024 and 2023. So today we are going to learn how to simplify these fractions. So basically, looking at question 1, to simplify this one is very simple. So we are going to start by looking at the way the fraction is. So we remember that we cannot simplify if you have a division as a sign there. So we have to change the division sign to multiplication. So you're going to have 15a squared, then b over, that's 7cd squared. Then we'll change the division to multiplication. Now the way it is that whenever you change the division to multiplication, this last fraction interchange. The denominator will come as a numerator, the numerator will become what? The denominator. So we'll change the the bottom one will go on the top, then the top one will come on the bottom. So it will appear like 21 over, that's a b, then d there to the power 3. You see, which was on the bottom. Then the top part here will come now on the bottom. So we are going to have a 5a to the power 3, then b to the power 2. Okay, so once you change the division sign to multiplication, you can now start simplifying. So how do we simplify? Very simple. All these letters on the top will be considered as 1, then on the bottom also be considered as 1. So when you look at the top part, we have a to the power 2, then down here we have a to the power 3, meaning a to the power 2 will be cancelled. Are we there? Then also a to the power 3, we are going to cancel a to the power 2, which will remain with a. Are we there? So we mean to say a to the power 2, meaning we have the 2 a's. Then here we have 3 a's. So 2a will cancel, and we'll cancel 2 from the 3. Will remain with what? 1. So looking at the second letter is a b. So from the b there, we have 1b on top. There are 2b. So 1b will cancel, and the 2 from this b squared, when we cancel 1 from the b, will remain with 1. Then also we have a c on top and the bottom c there. So c to the power 1 here, c to the power 2. So meaning we'll cancel 1 here. Then from the 2 here, we cancel 1, we remain with 1. Okay? Then we go to the second letter, we have d to the power 3. Here we have d to the power 2. So d to the power 2 will cancel. Then we remain. Then from here, because there are 3 there, when we cancel 2, we'll remain with 1. Okay? Then how do we do it? We try to rewrite now. What have we remained with here? We have remained with 5. Are we there? Then over here, we have remained with what? 7. There, we have remained with what? 21. Then we have also remained with a C and a D. Then down there, we have remained with a 5. Then we have remained with A and a what? And a B. Okay. Now, once you are done cancelling the numbers, letters, so rather, we can come to the numbers, not so. So we'll say 7 cancelled here, 7 can go into 21, then 3 times, okay? Then also we can say 5 cancelled here, then also 5 into 15, it's 3 times, okay? Let's change the pen, so we'll say it's 3 times, okay? So now we are remaining here, there is simply 1, okay? Then there is also 1, which will multiply. So here there is a 3 that remained. So 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have AB, so we'll write AB. Then over here only remain 1 times 1 times A times, sorry. This is a mistake, so it's 9, okay? So we are saying this one, so 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we also have a CD, so we'll write CD there over. Then there 1 times 1 times AB will remain with AB. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, you can see that's the first answer. Okay, now we'll go to question 2, which is still 2024 GCE. So to simplify this one, as we earlier explained, we change the division sign to multiplication. So we are going to have 10a like that, then over m squared n squared. Then to change the division, as we explained earlier, once you change from division to multiplication, the last fraction interchange, the bottom goes on top, then the top goes on to the bottom like that. So in mathematics we call it interchange. So this is interchanging. So if we say the last fraction is going to interchange, okay, so we're going to have 2m squared, then n squared, which was the bottom here, then the top part will go onto the bottom, where we're going to have 5a to the power 3. Okay, now we explained that once you change this, we are going now to start simplifying. Start with the letters. We have a there 1, there is 3. So we'll say this a cancelled and the a there cancelled, will remain with a squared. Okay, then also looking at it, okay, so we have cancelled the a and the a there. Then also we have other letters like m squared. So m squared will cancel, also m squared will cancel there. Then we also have n squared. So n squared will cancel, n squared will cancel. Meaning here we remain with what? 1. Then also we said once you cancel the letters, to avoid it looking so dirty or so scuffy, we'll try to rewrite. So here we are remaining with what? We are remaining with we'll try to rewrite. We are remaining with 10, then over 1 here, then multiplied by, there we are remaining with 2 over 5a squared. Okay, so we'll try now to work out this. So come to the numbers now. This one cancelled, there is 1. There it will give us 5 into 10 is what? 2. Okay, so that's what you are remaining with. Then we'll multiply the remaining numbers. This one times this one, it will give us 4. Then over this one times this one to give us a, then squared. So this is the answer. So we have solved question 1 and question 2. So the question 1 which is solved earlier on is this one, which is 2024 internal. Then question 2 which we have solved is this one, which is 2024 GCE. Okay, basically looking at the question that we had, there were 4 questions. So onto these 4 questions, we have tried to solve 2 questions as examples. Then we are remaining these 2 last questions. You can try to solve them and you leave the answer in the comment section there. I'll try to go through or mark you, or basically you can just leave the final answer, then I'll be able to tell if it's correct or wrong. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe.